Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to choose the right Google Ads campaign. I know there are tons of options as you can see, and in this video I want to explain what would you do and which campaign you need to select based on your business objectives. So essentially when you log into your Google Ads campaign, there are multiple options, and the first way to create a campaign is, just click on this plus button. And then as soon as you do that, Google Ads will actually try to give you or point you in the right direction. Now, I want to explain like what each of these means, but let's start with actually the sales campaign. Now, let's say you are an e-commerce brand and you want to sell your products online. In that case, you will use a sales campaign. Now, I think I already have one example over here of shopping. This is one. So basically what you do is when you want to promote your Shopify brand, your BigCommerce, or any of those e-commerce stores, you will select sales as your marketing objective. And what will happen is you will be able to pull the products directly from your Google Merchant Center, which will be connected to your e-commerce backend. Now, if you are on Shopify or on BigCommerce, you can pull those products into your Google Merchant Center, and that will act as a feed to pull in your products. Now, if you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comment section. I can create another video. But essentially, once you click on your sales as your campaign objective, you can see that you have additional options over here. You can then select search campaign, which will be your standard search ads. Now, I wouldn't recommend using sales and search as the combination. What I would recommend is sales and performance or sales and shopping as the combination. I will get into Performance Max campaign in a bit, but that's your first marketing objective. The second one is your lead. This is when you want to generate leads for your business, and it can be, marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, subscribers, contact us, book a demo, pretty much anything in the top of the funnel or middle of the funnel type of conversions that you're wanting. Again, with lead gen, you can select search, performance max display, and it provides all these options. But the best combination in my experience is leads with search, leads with performance max, and probably leads with display only when it's retargeting. So that's again a good combination to consider. The third type of campaign or marketing objective is website traffic. Now, this is when you simply want to drive traffic to your website. This can be a new product launch, it can be a landing page, it can be just your homepage. In that case, you can select website traffic as your objective, and then again, Google will provide these options. Now, keep in mind that when you enable certain objective, the platform changes. As you can see, if I selected app promotion, it is only going to allow me app campaign type. If I select sales, it will provide me all these options. So we spoke about all these three objectives. App promotion, as the name suggests, when you want to download or when you want your users to download your app, in that case, you can select app promotion as the objective, and app campaign will be activated. Now, in this case, there are again three options over here. Either you want to promote more downloads or you want to promote engagement within the app. So let's say, for example, you know that people have already downloaded their app and you want them to engage within the app in terms of, maybe going to different sections, in-app purchases, or if it's a game, then you want them to bring them back and make them complete another level. If it's an educational app, then you want them to take another course. So there's so many ways that you can, utilize app engagement. So that's how you can use the combination. Then you have awareness and consideration. Now, as you can see, when I selected this option, I only have three types of campaign: display, video, and demand generation. Now, display campaign is great for awareness because this is when you want to get the word out. It's a new brand, people don't know it. If it's a new product, you want to get the word out. If it's an event registration or if it's something new going on within your business, in that case you will use display campaign. The only downside of display campaign is you won't get any qualified leads, you won't get any subscribers. There's still a possibility, but still, I mean, the main goal is to get the word out. The only hard metric you can track is, click through rate and clicks and impressions. The next option is video. This is when you want to use YouTube as the ad platform. And then you have demand generation. I almost don't use this option a lot because, again, the only platform over here is YouTube, Gmail, and Discover. So I don't typically use this. My most use cases are, any of these three campaign objective, and then, either search campaign, performance max campaign, or YouTube. Then you have local visit and in-store promotion. So basically, this is when you want people to visit your brick and mortar store. If you are a restaurant, a shop, any other business that has an office and you want people to visit you, that's when you will use local store visits, combine that with performance max. Now, again, you can have more options in terms of how you want to target. You can either choose contacts, so basically your ads will be shown to people who are more likely to contact a business like yours, or you can ask your users to come and visit you by showing this direction request option. Now, let's say you are a dealer or distributor. You do have an option to drive in-store traffic to your affiliate locations. So that's again a fantastic way to drive in-store traffic to your partners. And then this is again a campaign option that you can create without any goals. I would 100% recommend not to do that. So I want to quickly touch base on display because let me choose website traffic and display. Or let's say, for example, I choose this one. Okay. Now, display campaign is, it's a double-edged sword. A lot of people like it or they hate it. The reason being, with display, you need to manage where your ads gets displayed, which is called as placement. And a lot of times, if you just simply set up a campaign with an in-market audience or an audience that's based on interest, affinity, Google will just randomly select, different platforms. And a lot of times they are poor platforms. It will be like apps and shady websites. So I first recommend you to think about why you want to run display, where you want to show your ads, and who you want to reach out to. Now, in market, combine that with your own audience signal is a great way to mix and match the audiences. And then you can specifically select which websites, YouTube videos, and channels you want your ads to be displayed. I do want to show you how to do that. So let's get into tools and settings, audience manager. Now this is where you will manage that. Now the first thing that you need to do is to set up an audience source. In this case, it will be your GA4 account. When you connect your Google Analytics 4 account, you'll be able to pull your audiences directly from GA4, which is fantastic because you can then utilize website visitors as one of your audiences. You can add additional parameters in terms of, people who visited certain pages, people who spent certain amount of time, so on and so forth. You can also link your YouTube video, which is great. You can also pull in data segments from your app in case you want to promote, in-app audiences and just target them through Google Ads. And then you also have remarketing through your Google Ads tag. If you don't know how to set it up, let me know in the comment section, but the setup is pretty simple. It's through Google Tag Manager. Now, if I go to segments, custom segments, this is when you can create your own combination. So let's say, I want to target, iPhone users. In this case, what I will do is, you have two options: people with any of these interest in or purchase intentions. So I will say iPhone, and look at that, Google will automatically give you people who are interested in this product or people who have already purchased. Now, this is great for promoting your iPhone accessories. If you are an iPhone accessories brand, this is how you would do that. In case of B2B brands, I would recommend people who search for any of these terms on Google. So let's say you are a B2B software provider. Say, for example, you provide, data warehouses. So in this case, I will select data warehouse as one of the search terms. And I will add more keywords. So that's how you would, keep on adding your keywords that your potential customers will be searching for, and you would reach out to properties that is related to those terms. Now, you can even expand your segment by including people who browse certain types of websites. Now, this is where you will add, influential, authoritative websites and URLs that talks about the topic that your audience truly care about. Like, for example, what is data mesh or what is a data warehouse? And that's how you will start building your custom segment. And then you will use this for your display campaign. So I don't want to go too much into the details of, audience targeting. I can create a separate video. I want to stop it at that. But that's pretty much it, guys, in terms of what are the different options in terms of Google Ads campaign, different objectives, and how would you quickly create an audience to choose the right platform and to reach the right audience. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.